When it's time to replace your windows in Miami, knowing what to expect during the process can help you feel confident and prepared. A professional window replacement doesn't just improve your home's aesthetics, it enhances energy efficiency, comfort, and property value. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of what you can expect during a typical window replacement project in Miami, from the first consultation to the final inspection. Initial consultation and assessment. The process begins with an in-home or virtual consultation. A window replacement specialist will assess your current windows, listen to your needs, and help you choose styles, materials, and features that suit your home's architecture in Miami's subtropical climate. Expect discussions around energy efficiency, important in Miami's heat. Hurricane-rated impact glass frame materials like vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass. Design options that match your aesthetic. The specialist will also take measurements to ensure precise fitting and provide a detailed quote and project timeline. Custom window manufacturing. Once the final choices are made and the contract is signed, your new windows are custom manufactured to fit your home's exact specifications. This step typically takes 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the complexity of your order and whether you've selected hurricane impact resistant glass, which is often recommended for Miami homes due to storm risk. During this time, your contractor will handle permitting. In Miami-Dade County, permits are required for most window replacement projects, especially those involving structural changes or impact windows. Reputable installers handle this for you. Preparation for installation day. You'll receive notice in advance of the scheduled installation day. Before the crew arrives, you'll need to prepare your home. Move furniture and window treatments away from work areas. Remove fragile items from nearby walls and shelves. Disarm any home security systems connected to windows. Cover floors and valuables with sheets if not provided by the crew. Good installation companies will also take protective measures such as laying drop cloths and sealing off rooms to minimize dust. Window installation process. On installation day, a team of professionals will arrive to remove old windows and install the new ones. Here's what typically happens. Removal. The crew carefully removes each old window. This may involve removing trim and caulking. Inspection. They check the frame and opening for any signs of rot or damage, repairing as needed. Installation. New windows are installed one at a time, leveled, insulated, and sealed. Trimming and sealing. Interior and exterior trim are replaced or updated. Caulking ensures weather resistance and airtightness. For an average-sized Miami home, full replacement can take 1 to 3 days, depending on the number of windows and accessibility. Post-installation cleanup and inspection. After installation, the crew will thoroughly clean the work areas, removing debris, leftover materials, and protective coverings. The final walkthrough includes demonstrating how to operate and clean your new windows, ensuring proper installation, insulation, and sealing, answering any questions about maintenance or warranty. In Miami, installers often provide final permit closeout and inspection services, especially for hurricane impact windows that must meet Florida building code requirements. Peace of mind with warranty and support. Most reputable companies offer warranties covering both the product and the labor. Be sure to ask about manufacturer's warranty, often 10 to 20 years or more. Workmanship warranty. Coverage on hardware and glass. Some Miami area installers even offer hurricane damage guarantees or emergency services if your windows are compromised during a storm. Final thoughts. Window replacement in Miami isn't just a home upgrade, it's an investment in safety, efficiency, and comfort. Working with a professional ensures the process is smooth, compliant with local codes, and tailored to your lifestyle. With the right team, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, better protection from the elements, and a fresh new look for your home.